Hello, and welcome to this short guide on setting timestamps in XMPro. Timestamps can be very beneficial, giving an extra dimension to your understanding of when the data was last updated. They are especially useful in situations where the data is not coming in at a high frequency, and you've got delays of hours, days, or even weeks. In front of us, we have a water quality management dashboard, and we can see we got 3 sites here. However, as the data is updating, it might appear as if it's not moving because the updates are fairly slow. For a deeper insight into when this data was updated, we can introduce a timestamp for the last update. So coming into the top right here, we can edit our element. Right next to the updated text element, which is hidden at the moment, we will introduce a formula element to get the day, month, year, hour, minute, and second based on the current timestamp for that data as it comes through. After selecting the query element, we will add the query expression, so we just added that in. We can see that it comes from a data source that's attached to this component. We select current timestamp and then apply datetime as the query that should be returned, and I'll just set it to visible so that it shows on the front end. We can see when we run the dashboard again, we now get a timestamp on the top right, giving us a deeper insight into when the data was last updated. This can also tell us if the data source is not being updated if it's been stagnant for an hour, and we can also set up recommendations there to alert us. If you have found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more learning content that will help you grow in your XMPro skill set.